It's been said that one person's trash is another one's treasure, and in the case of Jerusalem-based artist Beverly Barkat, that trash has been turned into a giant sparkling globe. In her installation called Earth Poetica, Barkat decided to tackle the prickly problem of plastic pollution.
The plastic waste is important because that's the whole story behind the work. It's how do we change the way we deal with plastic waste? And it's we is everyone, the whole world.
Barkat, whose art has been shown around the world, spent 3 years collecting, sorting through, and cutting up plastic litter from all over the world. The sphere is made out of metal, bamboo, epoxy resin, and plastic, all arranged to depict the Earth and its continents. From one side, the panels shine like jewels or painted glass, but once you look more closely, the trash comes to light. Earth Poetica is slated to open at the Israel Aquarium in Jerusalem on February 6th. It'll be Barkat's first solo exhibition in Israel in recent years. Barkat came up with the idea for Earth Poetica when she was asked to create an artwork for the lobby of the new World Trade Center complex in New York. After its exhibition in Jerusalem, this massive installation will be permanently displayed there.
This art piece for me needed to be so fundamental with an impact on those people, those decision makers that come in and out of World Trade Center. And that's how I thought I need to do something with the problem of plastic waste. It's not only us, it's not only me, it's not only our generation. We need to take responsibility on the heritage of what we're leaving to the next generations.
Environmental scientists have said that plastic pollution is a global emergency. In fact, marine plastics will outweigh the total mass of fish in the world's oceans by 2040. That's equal to 700 million metric tons of plastic, according to a recent report by the Environmental Investigation Agency. Beverly Barkat hopes her work will help raise awareness.
We are suffocating ourselves. We're doing it to ourselves. How do we change something that will release this future? I don't have a solution. I'm raising a question for awareness. I'm raising a question for dialogue. But I'm not giving an answer to how to solve the problem. For that, there are other people. I'm not in that world, I'm in the art world. I'm working in creating art.
From Jerusalem, Maya Margit reporting for the Media Line.